Hello everyone, welcome back with Onshape basic tutorials how to export into STL files. Okay, for example in here I will open this part once and we already have this part. So if you want to export this part into STL files, you can click in here in parts in feature browser. You can right click, then you can click export. Now will be show for export dialog box. You can set the names for file names, and for format in it you can set into STL. If you want to change into the other extension like EJS, you can click here, or ArcGIS. So in here we can use STL file for extension. STL format we set binary. For unit you can set in here like feet, inch or millimeter. Okay, in here you can use meter. And for resolution you can set like you can find or you make custom. So this for custom. You can set for angular deviation and the other options. So if you change again in here into files, this for files. Now for option download, it will be automatically stored in your download folder. If you done, you can click OK, and browser will be automatically download your files. You can see in here. Okay, that's it. How to export into STL files in Onshape. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.